Good morning, children. We are back here to study the miracles of nature. As we all know that we are fighting against the pandemic COVID-19 and we are trying out almost all the home possible remedies which we can find. We are trying them all, like you all must be trying the kadha, the homemade kadha at home. ठीक है, the herbs which we use in that kadha is present in our nature, and yes, it heals us. So there are several things present in the nature which help us and cure the diseases we have. Let's find out in this chapter what we are going to study about. As I told you that we are going to study about the miracles of nature. Here some of the plants are mentioned in your lesson also, which we are going to discuss. The very first one is aloe vera. You all might have watched different videos, even sometimes you have watched advertisements on the television that this cream is having aloe vera in it. Even aloe vera gel is also available in the markets. Why? Because it helps us to stay young. It makes our skin healthy. Even if we are having burn somewhere, we can treat it with aloe vera. It contains 20 minerals which are very important for our body. Now the second N is Indian ginseng. Indian ginseng in Hindi, it is ashwagandha, and it is very famous to treat nervous disorder, intestinal infections and leprosy. Now nervous disorder, जो nervous system में disorders होते हैं, intestinal infections which is there in your stomach, and leprosy. Leprosy is also a skin disease. ठीक है? So all the parts of this plant are used. Means the root, the bark, the leaves, the fruit and the seeds all are used as the medicinal purpose. The next natural herb which is mentioned in your book is sandalwood, chandan. You might have heard a lot about the several cosmetic creams which contain chandan. It has medicinal properties also. If you have any skin disorders, any skin problem, it is very much useful. It is also useful for the people those who are suffering from jaundice, which we call pilia in Hindi, right? It is helpful to treat jaundice also and soothe burning sensation. If you are burned, you can apply this on that part. The next Indian herb is Indian gooseberry, amla. Now this is a very famous thing which you all might have known and you all might have eaten also. Amle ka murabba aata hai, right? In the market is already available. It is a good source of vitamin C, right? It helps you to get rid of cough and cold. Now the next is wild turmeric. Turmeric, you all know, you all are using it at home, that is haldi, and it is a medicinal herb because it has antibiotic and antiseptic properties, right? कहीं भी हमें चोट लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We apply haldi, and even if we are in pain, what we do, we mix haldi, the turmeric, in the milk and drink so that we get relief from the pain. Why? Because of its antibiotic and antiseptic properties. And according to the Chinese think that haldi, the turmeric, can even cure cancer. The last herb which is used in your lesson is cinnamon, dal chini. This is most probably used in the kitchen. ठीक है? In garam masala, to fry something, we use this, and it is a spice which is oftenly used in desserts and pastries, and it is basically the bark of the tree. ये basically होता क्या है? Bark of the tree, and it is very much famous for its medicinal properties. It is used to treat patients with bronchitis and asthma, the lungs problem जिसको होती है, they can use cinnamon or dalchini. Now here is a quick quiz mentioned in your book. Let's discuss. The very first question is, of the 4 systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Allopathy, Unani and Siddha, which system does not entirely depend on the medicinal properties of plants? Now Ayurveda depends on the herbs available in the nature. Unani and Siddha also depends on the herbs available in the nature, but only allopathy medicines are chemically composed. So the correct answer for this question is allopathy. Now the next question is, match the medicinal plants with the diseases they are commonly used to treat by writing the correct answer options in the given box. The very first plant is Bhringraj. Now Bhringraj is used for what? It is used for hair loss, है ना? We often listen in the advertisements that इस oil में, इस shampoo में Bhringraj है. Why? Because it controls hair loss. The next is Amla. Now Amla is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C से की deficiency से हमें कौन सा बीमारी होता है? Scurvy. If we don't have the required amount of vitamin C in our body, we suffer from scurvy. So Amla is the remedy for scurvy. Tulsi. Now Tulsi is the best medicine for cough and cold. Whenever we have cough and cold, तो बड़े लोग क्या कहते हैं? Go and have तुलसी टी, है ना? अदरक और तुलसी की टी पी लीजिए and you'll feel better. Now next is Isabgol. Now Isabgol is very much helpful for constipation. Constipation क्या होता है? ठीक है? Now there are 2 things which you need to understand. One is Isabgol and one is constipation. There are 2 words used here. ठीक है? Now if we talk about Isabgol, so that in Hindi it is known as Indian wheat. ठीक है? ये एक तरीके का Indian wheat है. ठीक है? इसको एक तरीके से Indian wheat कहते हैं, and that is Isabgol. ठीक है? And now if we talk about constipation, now what is constipation? कब्ज, यानी कि पेट में जो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है ना, डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता खाना. So that is very much, Isabgol is very much helpful in that. Neem, we all are very much familiar with neem, right? And it has many medicinal properties. Now the prominent one which is mentioned here is skin diseases. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है skin diseases में, या स्किन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, then what do? You boil the neem leaves and उसी से नहाते हैं. ठीक है? This everyone, means almost everyone know about this thing. So neem is a remedy for skin diseases. The last is clove. Clove यानी लौंग, and लौंग is very much a remedy for toothache. घर में मम्मा को सुना है, अगर दांत में दर्द है तो उस दांत के पास क्लोव रख लो, right? So that this clove will give relax to you if you have a toothache. So this was all about the medicinal properties and the miracles of nature which is already present here. We just have to find out the properties and the benefits of that plant and we can use it. So this is all for the things which is mentioned in your book. We'll be meeting with some other tips, with some other things also in the next class. Till then, I hope you all will take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you children and have a good day.